Hey everybody, Will from WH Creations. Today I'm making this little stool. Now I did have issues trying to think of ways to attach the top to the legs, and a friend of mine suggested I make these little wooden tabs, and this is how I made them. So I'm going to be using the same oak that I made the table out of, and it goes over to the table saw to make a rabbet. Doing it this way I get a nice clean cut, and from this piece I can make 2 tabs. From here I take it over to the bandsaw and cut that piece down to size. Now you can do this on a chop saw, but being quite small can be a little bit dangerous. From here we go over to the router table, and I'll make a little indentation so the tab can sit inside it. With the table flipped upside down, I can position everything into place and pre-drill just to make sure I'm not having any issues when I drive in that screw. And that's pretty much it. Flip it up the right way. Table's looking super sexy. All mortise and tenon joints as well in there. What do you think? Let me know. That's about it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to click that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you on the next one.